Yo, what is good people? Ben from Love of Tech. We are back for another unboxing video and better late than ever, man. But this is the iPhone 12. Yes, the iPhone 12, 6.1 inches. And a big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying me with the iPhone 12 for testing and review. There will be links in the description below for all the latest deals that you can get on Vodafone UK with the iPhone 12. The support from them has been great, so definitely go give them a check. And yeah, let's not waste much time. I asked and I've requested for this one. And basically there's two iPhones that I've not tested yet for the newer generation one. I've tested the 12 Pro, which I have personally myself. They did send over previously the iPhone 12 mini. Now I've got the iPhone 12 and there will be a separate unboxing video that should be going live soon as well, if not gone live already as you're watching this, of the iPhone 12 Pro. So I'm now interested with the 6.1 inch iPhone. How's it gonna feel? Right, let's get into it, man. Straight unboxing. This is the product red, actually, before we get too far ahead. So this is the product red iPhone 12, 64 gigabytes. Yeesh, okay. So I'm very familiar with the product red, i.e. the product peach. And this is pretty much it, just a quick glance. Put this inside. And again, as you know, there is no charger that comes in a box. We know it now. I do actually like the slimmer box and the slimmer packaging. But yeah, SIM ejector tool, couple of Apple stickers, product red, which obviously now goes to COVID as well as HIV AIDS, funding, and put that away, and an untouched lightning to USB-C cable. I still wish it was USB-C to C, but you know, standard affairs. I'm gonna put this to the side. And let's look at the iPhone 12, 6.1 inches. And this is the size where, again, if you've not seen my unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, my full review, my follow-up, you know my thoughts on it. I literally feel it's big for nothing. And if Apple don't fix the stuff that they need to fix on how big phones behave software-wise with iOS, like what they do with iPad OS, then yeah, I think I'm going to be sticking to either the mini size phones or these size phones in terms of the size of the hand. But for some reason, already just feeling it, it feels bigger than I was expecting it to be. I don't know why. It feels bigger than I was expecting it to be, but I do prefer so far this size, and I really do wish I got the 12 Pro or the 12 in this size rather than the 12 Pro Max. I don't enjoy using the 12 Pro Max at all. The ones that know me, it's literally just there now. It feels like it's collecting dust. But yeah, this is the iPhone 12 product red, glossy glass back, and you've got the aluminium frame, which I really do prefer the matte finish of the aluminium frame compared to the glossy finish of the stainless steel that you do find on the iPhone 12 Pro. This shouldn't really be long. We've seen many unboxings, but unboxings are part of my journey, so I still like to do them. I enjoy them. Quick start. Okay, quick setup. Again, I know many of you have seen plenty of the unboxing videos that I've done on these iPhones, the 12 mini, as well as the 12 Pro Max for myself personally. So I'm not really gonna be wasting much time. I wanted to just get into the menu, the main screen. Let's go to display. Turn off True Tone. I always just do not like True Tone. Decent brightness, peak brightness of 1,200 nits, I believe, and then sustained is 800. Yeah, this already feels a little bit more comfortable. This feels a lot more manageable than what I had with the 12 Pro Max. Let's compare it to the 12 Pro Max. So size in terms of scale versus the 12 Pro Max, 6.7 inches. And then you're looking at 6.1 inches. So this has actually gone up from the iPhone 10, 10s, and the iPhone 11 Pro, from a 5.8 inch display to a 6.1 inch display. But really, it's everything that we've come to know from Apple. Flat display, which is so much more functional, thin borders, not as thin as maybe some people would say, but it's very, very even and symmetrical all the way around. You've got the notch due to Face ID, which is the main biometric authentication and unlock. No surprises there. Not much of a surprise. Very familiar. We've been here before. Dual cameras, because you're looking at the 12, which is obviously the main wide as well as the ultra wide, both 12 megapixels with the flash. You know, shooting 4K 60 across UHD, and 10-bit video with Dolby Vision HDR, up to 30 frames a second. Yeah, this is pretty much what we've come to know. I'll be giving a first impressions on this, and I will be doing a comparison to the 12 Pro, which I'll be doing a separate unboxing on which one to get, especially for the price difference and where they're starting at and what you get in terms of storage as well, which really matters at the base. But yeah, so far, I prefer this size in terms of the iPhone, especially just the initial, you know, going through the menus and the swipes for iOS. iOS just functions so far for a smartphone on the iPhones much better on a smaller display, you know. So I think this is it. With my first impressions of unboxings, I don't go deep into it. I really try and just see what comes in the box, the feel of the device, and just how it makes me feel when I'm holding it initially to start with. I'll continue using it, then I'll give a full breakdown of my real first impressions. Then we're gonna run it through its paces, charging test, battery test, camera test, full review, the whole work. So there's a lot of stuff to be done on here. So again, big shout out to Vodafone UK for sending this through. This is my unboxing of the iPhone 12. The standard iPhone 12. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy unboxing videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.